Kulingana na ripoti ya ruvunge rwa ungania na wigi wa ripoti cia uria ngombo ikoretwo ikirivwa ni muingi, atumia no mathiete na mbere na kuthutukanwa ni mvunge cia ngombo ni tondu va ciringi 1,000 iria andu arume makovagithua, atumia makovagithua ciringi 361. Muthutukano ucio konania atumia va ngombo iria vecinagwa cia gukuria biashara marathondeka gicunji kia 27 va igana, guku andu arume maina gicunji kia 73 va igana.
In terms of lending and getting credit, women are still not at 50-50. In the CRB database, men are at 56% and women at 46%. So in terms of gender parity, we're yet to get to 50%. But with this engagement, supporting our customers, especially on financial inclusion.
Kwa institution kama yenye niko, wamama ni 60%, wanaume ni 40%, lakini wale wanakopa pesa ndogo ni wamama. Unakuta mama anakopa 20,000, 30,000 na ndio wengi. Na hiyo pesa yesirisha boma na isomeshe mtoto.
Ngurani hiyo yukite wariria namba ya andu aria makoretwo magioca ngombo yongererekete kuma kwi andu milioni 19 aria mocete ngombo vindi ya kĩng'oki gĩa COVID-19 nginya andu milioni 25 kavindari gaka.
The number of customers in the CRB database sits at 25 million, and we've been able to see a significant increase actually post-COVID. At COVID, we had only about 19 million customers, and that has grown to 25 million. This means that digital credit uptake is actually growing the numbers in the credit bureau database.
Gukonekana wigiriri wa indo cia mwigana wa ngombo iria mundu arakova ndiguo muvinga munene uria urarigiriria atumia kuvewa ngombo tandu arume.
Discussions around how we can unlock that opportunity for lenders to reach to SMEs, to reach to households and youth-led enterprises based on not just the title deed and the logbook and other collateral, but the credit worthiness, the ability of the business to generate cash to pay that loan. Because it's not the title deed that pays the loan, it's not the logbook, it is a business.
Niguo kuthiria thina ucio anyititemi marendekithio veceni wa ngombo urumagirira ripoti cia uvetu wa mundu kuriva ngombo ivenyere ya kuigirira indo makiuga undu ucio niguo ngivotithia atumia gukura na kuthondeka mieke ya mawira kuvitukira biashara iria marutaga.
We notice that especially for women and youth, majority of them don't have collaterals. So they might not be able, they can be actually left out of the credit market if we are relying mainly on collaterals. And so by using technology and the AI, we are able to analyze cash flows from either their financial statements, from their SMEs, the mama mbogas, how they transact and things like that. And using that data to be able to tell about how much they can afford as a loan and also their willingness to pay.
Vanduri va Inoro TV ni country ya Embu ni Beta Dennis fundi.